Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Tiana here, of course. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a black owned brands makeup tutorial, but just featuring brands at the drugstore. I wanted to try to make it as budget friendly as possible. I know there are a lot of black owned brands out there, which is amazing to see more and more black owned beauty brands popping up. Just keeping it all the way real, some of them are a little bit pricey, so I wanted to give you guys some more affordable options. So if you guys want to find out how I got this face and the brands that I used, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off, I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color foundation powder to just put all over my eyes as a base. I'm going to be talking a little bit about this brand a little bit later in the video. Going in now with the Juvia's Place palettes for this video, I'm going to be using the Chocolates palette and the Nubian palette. And as you see, I'm going to start off with this kind of brown rusty color in the upper crease area of my eye, and I'm just building that color up so we have something that's a blending color for our crease shadow. Now I'm going to be going in with this deeper dark brown color. As you can see on the right side, I'm doing this kind of soft matte cut crease look, so this is that base color for the cut crease. I'm just using a very like tapered cut crease brush. It just really gets right into that crease area, and I'm just building up that color so that you'll see it after we apply the concealer. I'm just blending out everything together so it's not so harsh. Going in with the Juvia's Place concealer now, and I've heard a lot about her products, and this is my first time trying out the concealer, but I am going to be using that to create the cut crease. And this is the part that I'm still like really practicing on, because you have to make sure that your lines are pretty nice and straight when you're doing this. So just take your time and carve out the crease area. And I'm using just an angled brush to do that. I'm really looking forward to trying out her foundation now that I really like her concealer. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try out her foundation. If you guys have tried out any of these black owned products, or if you know any others, leave them down in the comment section below. So now I'm just going back in with that crease brush, going back into the crease and kind of blending it back and forth. And then I'm also going to be applying some more of that dark brown color into the outer V area just to give some color out there as well. Now I'm going into this cream color from the Chocolates palette, and I wanted it to be more of a matte look, so I'm just going to be applying that all over the concealer to kind of cancel out any shine or sheen that's coming through from that concealer. Going in with a black matte eyeliner now. I decided I wanted to do a wing for this look just to make it look a little bit more dramatic. I have not found a black owned liquid liner yet, so let me know down in the comment section below if you know of any black owned liquid eyeliners that you have been loving. So now I'm going in with probably one of my favorite products of this video, which is the Black Girl sunscreen. And as you can see, it's like kind of white. It looks like a typical sunscreen. I feel like it's definitely not as thick, but I'm putting that all over my face as a really nice base. And you can see I just smelled it. It says that it's fragrance free, but it still has that little bit of a scent of sunscreen. So I'm sure that product had to go in there, or ingredient had to go in there. And you can see I give it 2 thumbs up. It gave me a really nice glow. So now I'm going in with the Black Opal Flawless True foundation, and you're gonna notice this color is off, so I kind of sped through this a little bit because I just really went in and just blended it in. I really do like this foundation, so I definitely will be doing some more videos using this foundation. But I wanted to say a quick little bit about Black Opal. They are newly black owned. I have seen them at the store all these years, and I for one did not necessarily know of a lot of brands that weren't black owned, because they cater to black people and black women in particular, and you think they're possibly Black owned when they're not. So in doing my research, before Black Opal, I believe, was co-owned by a Black woman and a Greek businessman. I believe that's what a little bit of the background was, and they sold the company last year. Now Miss Desiree Rogers and Cheryl McKissick own the brand, and Miss Rogers has a long list of accomplishments. And so I was reading and doing research, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, it's really nice to see two Black women in a male dominated industry. If you guys can believe it, the beauty industry is dominated by men business owners, and most of them aren't Black men when we're talking about Black owned beauty brands, that is. So love to see them being pioneers in this industry. So that's why I chose Black Opal as one of the main focuses of this video. So I went in with the Juvia's Place concealer, and then I also set with the Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder. Now I'm just going in with a mascara to blend my top lashes together with my false lashes and apply a little bit on my bottom lashes as well. I wanted a little bit of pop of color in the tear duct area, so that's what I'm doing here. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start talking about the next product while I still have a little bit of time. It is this brand called the Lip Bar, and I did a little bit of research, and I'm very happy I found this brand. It was started by Mrs. Melissa Butler. She's another successful Black woman. She was working on Wall Street and decided to start this brand because she wanted to see more diversity in the beauty industry. She went on Shark Tank, got turned down, and now she's in 450 targets. So boss. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please subscribe if you're not. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and if you learned something, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.